Alright, what's going on with the rat truck? We're making a dump bed. The gas tank is going to be mounted up there. You see the fuel line. It was mounted on top of the bed right there. See the holes right there on top of that plate. So I'm going to mount it underneath the bed. So instead of having the access from the top, I'll be able to just lift this bed up. We're just going to use these cheap hinges. This is all for now. Eventually I'll get some bearings and do it that way, but for now I'm going to experiment with this and try to make this work. So key is this is going to go in there, and then either one maybe. So that's what I'm working on now. And then I got the struts off my 300. These are going to mount about right there, right there. This will be back here, obviously. So each one of these are 35 pounds or so. So that's 70 pounds of push, which will be more than enough. I can lift this with one hand pretty easy. Take these off here. This off. Okay. So I'm just gonna take one hand right here. So lift it up. It's pretty simple. That's probably, I don't know, maybe 5-10 pounds, even though this is 1/4 inch angle. But being that it's on a pivot point, it's not heavy. So I gotta finish grinding these off, cleaning all this rust up. Eventually I'll do a final paint on this when I'm done. Putting a 4-link in, so getting rid of this crap. These leaf springs are shot. I had to add that I-beam right there for the air shocks to actually lift it up and have them where they're even and not bowed upside down. They're worn out. So I do need to cut this some more here. So probably gonna end up taking this and moving it in. So I'll cut this out, weld it in. So kind of channeling it out just so I have tire clearance. I know with the 4-link I won't have the swaying axle, but I just want some clearance. These tires are expensive. You see that rub mark right there? It's right here. That's from it rubbing up here when it's aired down, and then the axle is able to move side to side. But it's too close for my comfort. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but so I'm just going to channel it inward. So that's all the stuff I got to do. Still a lot of work. Let me get to it. I got to mount it. So it's not fully welded in. It's half welded. So what I did have to do is take this 1/4 inch plate and put it in the middle of the hinge, so it sits on this plate. So let me lift this up. I'll show you. Just using my hand. Grab it in the middle. There it is. Just using my hand. Here it is there. So right now it's hitting. Let me show you where it's hitting. It is hitting on down here. So I can cut this out, channel it. But I'm not going to do that. I'm going to cut bed, extend it. I'm gonna extend it about 5 inches so it'll clear that, and then it'll be good. So right now I'm gonna work on the struts. I got struts in there, over there. See it. So still got some work to do on that, but you can just take this right here. I'm gonna take my hand off by itself. So worked great. Got a lot more to do.